Hello everyone, welcome again for Sitecore Send. In first part, we understood what Sitecore Send is. In this one, let's create a Sitecore demo site, Sitecore Send demo site. This is required so we can play around with the Send without a license. So this demo is available for 30 days if I'm not wrong. Uh, Alternatively, you can use MooSend 30 days free trial as well. So you go to get a demo, you click on Sitecore Send. If you're not sure how demo portal works, check out my other video playlist, Sitecore Send, and click on Sitecore Send, and you can click an instance name, type it, and summary. Click summary, and it will deploy it. I already have one already installed, so my one is called Sitecore Send only, and we'll click on that. There's a Sitecore Send URL here, demo scenarios, when it was created. You can delete it, ownership, and the URL. Let's click on the URL. So it has automatically logged me in because I was logged in, but the username and password are here if you need it. Oh, it just put my username password here, which is good. So let's look at the dashboard first. So campaigns, subscribers, automation, leads, everything should be blank for me at the moment. It does install some sample data if you create it via demo portal, but that all lives inside campaigns and landing pages. For dashboard, there's nothing for my last 30 days activity. All of this will fill up if we start sending campaigns. You can drag right and left, and it has some more information. Just pretty cool dashboard UI. Uh, let's look at how to configure this account now. So there are a few ways you can do that. So there's one here where you can go and create a new website. So imagine you want to integrate this with your website so you can start sending email campaigns, and then when your user lands on your website, Sitecore Send knows more about you. So Sitecore Send can also help you to put subscription forms, landing pages on your site too. So let's go and put this domain name, for example. I'll put for my site portfolio.com and submit. So what it has done, it's created an ID for that site, and then you can say configure tracking script, install, and then you can copy and paste this in your head tag. There's also some events then you can pass as well, like this move track. If you know the user's identity, you can send this information back to the system. This is quite important so the system can know which email list to put them in. So this is one way to configure your website. There are other tracking events as well you can configure. So all the whole list of them is here. So let's go back to websites, but there's some other settings you could do too. So example, your password and all that can be managed, whether you want every email address user to be a single opt-in or double opt-in. The time format changes. You can do branding changes. So when imagine you are hosting a landing page or a Sitecore form, then it can have this type of domain name, for example. So your domain name could be something.giteshportfolio.com, so looks better, or forms.giteshportfolio.com. In similar ways, team members who is allowed to log in here, SMTP settings, API key. Now very important API key, because imagine you want to create a form with a Next.js or a React app, and you want to integrate data from that app to the system. So example, subscription form you have in a React app, and then you want to send details to Sitecore Send. Plugin secret key is similar to that as well. Senders is who's allowed to send, so you need to verify a user and set up SPF and DKIM records. This is very important because if you don't do this step, your emails will most probably go in spam folder. And then e-commerce features. This is for audience discovery, on which step the e-commerce user is based on the tracking we have put in. Templates. Now we'll cover templates in other videos. So we'll go back to the next option because templates will be covered later on. Integrations. So there are three different types of integrations available out of the box. MailChimp Synchronizer, Google Contacts, and Salesforce. This is to import data from those systems into this system. Websites we already checked, it's the same option from here. And then suppression list. This could be useful when you want to do batch activities for suppressing. And then you can set the language as well. Email list is also quite important, but we'll cover it in the next video. Thank you.